Hello Internet and welcome to another episode of Automotive Carnage. In today's episode, we unpimp my ride. So you may have seen this car lurking in the background in a few of my videos already. It's a 2003 Daihatsu Sirion and it's my daily driver. Great for around town, to and from work. Today we're getting it ready for sale, so we're going to take up a few modifications like these wheels. Imported them directly from Japan. The strut base up in there, we've got to take that off. The steering wheel, we're going to swap that out, airbox, a few other bits and pieces. Over this side, we've got to fix this door handle. We probably won't do that today because I've still got the parts in the mail. And they're coming. Yeah, so we'll try to get through as much of this as we can today. So let's get into it. Let's go home and do the rest. Alright, so here we are back in the shed again. Feels good to finally have a car back in this empty spot. First time we've been working in here with since our new fence was built. So that's really awesome. So as you can see, we have the PVC pipe intake that I made up. That needs to be replaced with the factory airbox. That strut bar, that needs to come off as well. I might keep that for another project. And then we come around this side. And the rest of the stuff's inside here really. So we've got the sun's a bit bright, but that gear stick's coming off, that steering wheel's coming off, and that door handle needs to be fixed. So let's crack into it. Wow, that took a bit longer than expected. You just see me playing with the door cards there. Reason being was I got a bit of a knock once on the inside of the door, and it hit directly on where the door lock mechanism is, and it just took everything out of alignment. So that was me just realigning everything so I could actually open it from the inside door handle, which I haven't been able to do that for a few months now. Just one of those jobs that you just don't get around to until you guys sell the car. So anyway, we'll carry on, get cracking, and we've got this steering wheel to come off, this gear knob to come off, and I think that's it. Yeah. Oh, clean up some wiring down in here for the undercar effects, if you want to call them that. Yeah. Alright, there you go. So that's how you unpimp a ride. The reason we're taking a lot of those parts off is they're going to be used in the new daily driver, so that gives you a clue as to what's coming up in the future. In the meantime, I'm not too sure what the next episode of Automotive Carnage is going to be, so surprise! We still have the silver car we need to pull the engine out of, we have Starlin, which we still need to finish bits and pieces off. I should really finish a car. We've got this! I don't know how this happened, people. Look at this. Look at this. There's an AU Falcon in the driveway. They're so ugly. How did this happen? I'm just going to end it there. There's no coming back from that.